Next, let's talk about class routines. You can provide class routine to your students in your application. For that, you can select the day, the class, and the section for the routine. So let us suppose your school runs from Sunday to Friday. So Sunday will be your day 1 and Friday will be your day 6. But what if your school runs from Monday to Friday? Well, day 1 will be your Monday, day 5 will be your Friday. Just leave out day 6. Okay, so let's select day 1. Okay, let us select like it's Friday, day 6 for class 6 and section A. You can write down it like this. Here is the start time, end time, the subject name, and the teacher's name. So let us suppose the school starts at 9 a.m. And then the class will end at 9:45 a.m. Let us suppose the subject name is English and it's taught by Mr. Nirdeswa. For adding another subject, you can click over here on the Add Next button. The class will probably start at 9:45. It will end at 10:30, and it will be a computer class. The teacher name will be Mr. Ajay Khale. Next up, you can keep on doing that. For example, 10:30 to 10:45 will be recess. You can just leave out the teacher's name blank over here. And you can, likewise, you can keep on adding how many number of periods you're going to have in a particular day. So after you have done filling it out, click on the submit button over here. So that's the day 6 of class 6 section A class routine added. So what about day 4 or day 5 or day 1? So click on day 1, class 6A, there is no routine. So it can be an issue to like write down the start time and end time, because we know the start time and end time can be same throughout the week, throughout the month, throughout the year. So what you can do is like you can click on this like once you have added one class routine for a particular day, it doesn't matter whichever class is it, you can click on the set previous default button over here. So what it will do is like it will call up the previous information that was entered. So you can see this was the information that we provided for day 6 of class 6 section A. You can just like the time will be the same, you can just change the subject. So for example, instead of English there will be a science class, and it will be taught by Mrs. Elena Vajracharya. Next on, there will be let's say a computer practical class carried out by Mr. Roshan Shrestha. The recess will be exactly the same. You can click on submit. So you can see at the day 1 of class 6A, you will have following subjects with science and computer practical. If you click on day 6, it will be English computer. You can so let's suppose you have to now enter the class routine for class 10 section A. You can just click on set previous default and do it like before. And that's it. That's the class routine feature of Véda.